If your office, company, or activity requires a dot matrix printer for various needs of printing notes, business documents, or prints on continuous paper, the Epson LX310 dot matrix printer is the solution. With the ability to handle wide paper and continuous paper makes this printer reliable to help your business activities. Do not forget this printer also supports USB ports that are not available in the previous dot matrix series. You want to know more about this printer? Here's the review: Epson LX310 dot matrix printer complete specifications.